Now children, today let's start with chapter number 16, national symbols. We have different national symbols, our national flag, our national animal, Royal Bengal tiger, our national bird, peacock, national, right? We have different national symbols. So India क्या आपकी independent country है, and after independence, India has adopted national symbol, and they are the symbol of freedom and unity. We have national flag, emblem, anthem, animal, bird, national food, right? So being true Indian, we must all respect them. हमें क्या करनी चाहिए, इनकी respect करनी चाहिए. Right, this is our national flag, which is three colors: saffron, white, and green. Right, these colors have different specific meanings. Saffron आपको टॉप पे मिलेगा जो sacrifice और color courage को बताता है. White middle में जो आपकी purity, peace और truth को बताता है. Dark green आपका bottom में जो prosperity को बताता है. बीच में आपके wheel है blue color का जिसमें 24 spokes हैं जो क्या बताता है आपको, that is धर्मचक्र, which is wheel of law. It was first used by Ashoka the Great. ये आपके जो 24 आवर्स होते हैं ना उनको बताता है. राइट, our national flag is hosted at national festival. We must follow certain rules. Right, national flag should always be flutter at the top. It should be hosted from sunrise to sunset. Right, it bend must always be on the top. इसका bend होना चाहिए ना, saffron वाला, वो हमेशा टॉप पे होना चाहिए. कब अडॉप्ट करा थे? 22 जुलाई 1947. Right, if the national flag is taken out in procession, it must be on the right shoulder of the leading person. It must be not host. अगर वो dirty है, torn है, आपको host नहीं करें. Tiranga is a sacred to us, and we must always show respect to our Tiranga. Then we have national emblem, which is the official seal of the government of India. ये authority of nation को बताता है. One can find a government on government documents. आपको coins, currency, notes, letters, envelopes पे देखने को मिलेगा. Right? And the national emblem आप देखते हैं कि आपके जो 3 lions है वही visible होता है. Fourth one is hidden, and then it has a horse and bull, and there's a wheel between the bull and horse, and the same wheel has been seen in our national flag with 24 spokes. And आप देखेंगे नीचे आपका सत्यमेव जयते लिखा है, that is truth always trump. आपका देवनागरी स्क्रिप्ट में है. Right? Then we have taken it from lion capital of Pillar, erected by King Ashoka, great in Sarnath near Varanasi. We have 4 lions, several gardens, and this stand for courage and power. Next is national anthem. Every country has a national anthem. Our national anthem is Jan Gan Man, which is written by Rabindranath Tagore. It is sung in the praise of our beautiful country. Right? National game Hockey. It is consists of 2 teams. इसमें 11 members होते हैं हर एक टीम में. And India is the first non-European country in the International Hockey Federation. Right, in 1982 India ने win भी करे थे different game of hockey. Now national animal Royal Bengal tiger, national bird peacock, national flower lotus. जो किसके लिए खड़ा होता है? Lotus means that your truth, knowledge and wealth. If we talk about peacock, symbol of beauty, grace and joy. Right, our national symbols represent idols of our country, and we should respect and love all these symbols. Right, हमें इनको respect करनी चाहिए, हम इनके साथ एक प्यार दिखाना चाहिए. Right. This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood all the national symbol. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.